Good morning, class. Welcome to day 4 of your 1-point perspective unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So your learning goal is to design an interior or exterior space that uses a variety of subjects and details in 1-point perspective. Please remember to focus on the details aspect of your learning log. A lot of times students forget to add the details like doors and windows and other things that are in and around the city. Not only do the angles of your buildings have to follow linear perspective, but so do the angles of any other detail in or around your building. So please make sure you are working on adding details and other subjects to your artwork today. Your central question is, how does 1-point perspective help an artist create a realistic space? And this will always cycle back to that vocabulary word of depth, that linear perspective essentially creates depth in the artwork, making things largest as they get closest to us and smallest as they get further back, and essentially presents the artwork or creates the illusion that that space exists as we would normally see it in real life, making us almost feel like we can walk into the artwork itself. Your vocabulary word today is vanishing point. Even though it is one of the first things we learned about in this lesson, it's very important to cycle back to this and discuss it to help build your understanding of linear perspective, why we're doing it, and what role the vanishing point plays. All right, so your task list for today, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here, is first to watch the Vanishing Point ET video. This will help with today's entrance ticket questions. Please watch that video as all your answers are in it. It's only a 2 or 3 minute video. It's very short. Then please complete your day 4 entrance ticket. After watching the video, you'll have all the information you'll need. You'll answer what is a vanishing point and how does the vanishing point create depth in artwork. What specific role does the vanishing point play, and I need technically how does it create depth? And again, the answers are in the video above if you don't know the answer off the top of your head. And then lastly, just continue working on your final project. Just a friendly reminder, this is a line drawing only. It does not need to be in any color. That's why your materials list does not list anything that would apply color to your project. Sometimes if students want to add color, they can, but it's not required. So if you have extra time and you think you're done your line drawing, you're welcome to add color with color pencil, but you're not required to. And then submit your progress to the day 4 student progress assignment for your 3 points. Please remember that each day your work has to be a progression of the day before. And I have been noticing that some students look like they're already almost done, or they might be done today or even the next class. If you finish early, you are welcome to submit your final project to the final project assignment in the day 7 folder, but please make sure that it is your best possible work that you can create, because this is out of 100 points and I want you all to get as many points as possible. And if you do submit any work early, please make sure in the coming days you still submit some kind of artwork for your daily student progress, because you're still required to create art each class. So you could do a free drawing of whatever you want, similar to the first day of the course where you just did a free drawing. You did my first drawing. Just draw something and submit it to that assignment so you can still get credit for that day. All right, that is all I have for today. Please make sure you watch the video, the Vanishing Point video following this one, and I will talk to you all shortly, and I hope you all have a great class. All right, bye everyone.